Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect RevenueCat to Google Play Store. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's assume you already have an app published on Google Play and a RevenueCat account set up. Once you've created your RevenueCat account, head over to the Product Catalog section. You might already see a default catalog from the setup process, but if you want to start fresh, click on New Offering. Here, you'll need to set an identifier and a display name. For example, you can name the identifier something like Android app, and the display name could be Android for free. Next, add a package to this offering. You'll be given options such as subscriptions, lifetime access, or custom packages. For this example, choose lifetime. Then, enter a description and assign the product accordingly. After creating the package, the next step is to add a paywall. Click on Add Paywall, where you can either choose from existing templates or build one from scratch. In this case, go ahead and create one from scratch. From this page, first give your paywall a name and then assign your offering. Once it is done, click on Save it as a draft. Once your paywall is ready, the next step is integrating RevenueCat into your app. To do this, you'll need to install the RevenueCat SDK. Simply click on Install SDK, and you'll find setup instructions along with the required code and API key inside your RevenueCat dashboard. Copy the necessary code and add it to your app, making sure to include your API key. If you're using AI tools to help with development, you can use prompts to guide the integration process as well. I will show you how this prompt looks like. Here it is. The prompt will look like this. After completing the integration, update your app through your Google Play developer account. Once the update is live, RevenueCat will be connected to your app on the Google Play Store. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect RevenueCat to Google Play Store. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.